Look at how this bird gets food. With a small piece of bread, this bird fishes in a unique way. Although initially when throwing the bread bait, there seemed to be a turtle approaching, but the bird quickly took back its bait. The second try, it felt safe from the turtle. The bird threw the bread bait back into the water. And look, without waiting long, it was finally snatched by a fish. With high speed and accuracy, the bird was no less clever than the fish. Strike, a fish is ready to be cooked. Ha ha ha.